Alright, here's a 12-step SEO blog machine guide. This is going to be a 12-step, you can see 1 to 12, and I'm going to show you how you can ignore all this and switch to one of the SEO tool which I'm going to show you, which is going to do all these things, okay, in a one click. With that being said, the number one thing which goes into SEO writing process is the topic selection. Many people go wrong about it. The only thing they want to do in this first step is identify topics relevant to your ICP. If you don't know what the ICP is, ideal customer profile. So if you want to create ideal customer profile, you give it a ChatGPT, hey, I want to create ideal customer profile ICP, and this is my niche, and it's going to create a customer profile for you. And then you need to research trends and keywords. So you combine this and you're going to get a bunch of topics. You can use AI to write a bunch of topics, or you can do it manually. Okay, I rather choose go with AI. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step, what you're going to do is keyword research. So this is going to be very important part, and the first step you want to do inside the keyword research is find primary keywords and secondary keywords. This includes semantic keywords and LT, long tail keywords, okay, LTK, right? And you want to have a pillar keyword, which is going to be main keyword, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can take this pillar keyword and create an entire article. And then you have analyze intent, search volume, and competition. Okay, so you know the rules. The search volume should be high, the competition should be low, right? So that's how you find a good keyword. And then you have 3, which is going to be competitor analysis. You want to identify top competitors and analyze their content structure. Now in this process, this is going to be very vital, important process, because here you get the competitor, what they're ranking for, what keywords they're ranking for, what semantic keywords they have, and what LTK, long tail keywords they have, and also what outlines, especially what outlines they're writing, and the number of words they have written to be a top competitor to your niche. And then you have the next step is look for gaps to add more value. And this, what you can do is you can simply take the URLs, both the URLs, your URL and your competitor URL, to Semrush or Ahrefs, and it will create find the gap keywords, right, from your URL and from your domain and the competitor domain. And then you have the fourth one, which is a content brief. Create a detailed brief with headings and subheadings. So this is going to be a outlines, right? You can take your competitor outline, feed it to AI, and ask it to replicate a similar outlines for me to rank on SEO, like to rank with the SEO, and it will do that for you. And then plan the flow where to add media. So this is going to be a common structure. Okay, you just structuring like table of contents. Now when it comes to content briefing, you need to have a table of content. This is very important at the beginning. And I just forgot one more thing, which is a author profile. Okay, so it should be at the beginning, and the table of content, and then H1, H2, and H3, and frequently FAQs and images, and what else? You can add internal links and external links. So this is a basic checklist, right? And then you have the fifth, which is going to be a whole document process, right? Compelling introduction to hook the reader. Now you can do this with 2 ways. Okay, one, you can give the introduction at the beginning. 2, you can give the introduction at the last. I prefer giving introduction at the last. I prefer introducing at the last because I want to complete the search intent. Whenever user comes to my blog post, I want to end the user intent, right? So I just give what they're looking for at the beginning itself. And then use primary keyword, second keyword, and semantic keywords naturally throughout the content. And then once I give what the user is looking for in the first 5 paragraphs, then I put out the extra content and increase the word count. That's how I do it. Okay, so you want to, the writing draft process, you want to take it to the doc. So let me just show you. You want to take it to the document or text file, and here you want to prepare your document. Okay, and then you have 6th one, which is a on-page optimization. Is going to be, if you don't know what is on-page optimization, if you're new to SEO, this is nothing but adding internal links title tags, meta description, headers, and ensure proper internal link and external link. If you don't know how to add internal link and external link, you don't have to worry. That one tool which I'm going to show you later in this video will do the completely entire automate this process, okay, all the 12 steps. And then we are 7th step, which is editing. Check for grammar and readability. Many people, they write content which is good, but it is not, good as they think when it comes to grammar and readability. To make readability, all you have to do is create stories and case studies. So I'm just going to write it here. So to make readability much more good, add stories and add case studies, add infographics. So adding infographics is one best way to increase the engagement time. Second thing is make necessary revisions. So this is like editing process, so you don't have to take it to the WordPress. So to automate this process, what you can do is you can install simply Grammarly. Grammarly is a great tool which I prefer till to this date. And then the 8th step, we have SEO review. Now this is going to be a crucial process when it comes to publishing blog articles. Use SEO tools like Phrase to check keyword density and readability and more. One more thing what you can do is you can take it to the AI SEO checker tool, and it's going to analyze the content. Or you can also use Rank Math plugin and make sure all the checkpoints are done. Make necessary adjustment if not done. And then we have 9th one, which is a publishing. Now what you want to do is format the post correctly in your CMS. What I mean by that? Now it simply means add tags and categories. Many people add to categories menus, but they don't have good tags. So make sure the tags are relevant to whatever the post you're publishing. Publish and submit URL to Google Search Console, which is a GSC. Now the 10th step, post publishing. What do you have to do? Share the post on social media. Now when it comes to social media, you can literally create Medium, what else, Quora, Reddit. One of the best way to rank easily, fast, if you're starting out and if you want to improve your ranking very quick, the best way I recommend is creating a Reddit and cross-post your articles on Reddit. And then the next thing what you want to do is send out email newsletters. So make sure you have email opt-ins, because some people like to subscribe if your content is really good, right? 11th step is performance tracking. Monitor using analytics like GSC. And let me just tell you one more thing. When you're tracking your performance, so let's say your GSC told you a keyword 1, you're ranking for keyword 1. Okay, your keyword 1 is getting a lot of impressions and clicks. You want to double down and you want to create a variation of those keyword articles. Okay, key 1, key 1, 2. You want to go on, double down and create many blog posts as much as possible on this keyword, which is already ranking, because we know we already ranking, and then we can easily build topical authority. Track key metrics, that's what I said. 12th, final, updates and optimization. So let's say you have written article for how to change, or how to change username on Instagram in 2024. Then you need to update the article to 2025. Just no, when it comes to updating, not just a number, but also an entire paragraphs or some paragraphs which shouldn't be identical to the previous blog. So that is how you do it. So this is a complete SEO blog mission guide. And if you want every single thing, if you want all this thing to be done in one click, then let me introduce you Journalist AI, and I'm going to show you how this tool works. Let me introduce you Journalist AI. Now what it does is it has a bunch of options. One, you can write SEO article. You just manually input the keyword, and you can also input the title. It's up to you, optional. And then click on add keywords, and it will prompt you to generate article, and it does the job for you in less than a minute. SEO articles, and then give my title, how to create a high CTR thumbnails. Okay, and then I'm gonna give the same keyword as the keyword is going to be create high CTR thumbnails, and then click on add keyword. Now it will take me to another page which will prompt me to generate my keyword is create a high CTR thumbnail, so I'm going to click on generate article. Alright, right now it has generated article under a minute. Now I can simply click on the title article and it is going to open up a full editor. Now here there are two things you can do. One, you can directly integrate to your site, to whichever CMS you are using, and directly post to your CMS website, right? It has generated every single thing, even the images, headings, and then FAQs you can see at the end, right? Even the featured image. Now the second thing what you can do is you can manually copy paste right here and then post it inside the WordPress or whatever CMS you're using. And there's also another feature. If I go here and click on edit with AI, we can see right here a new SEO editor is open right here. Now what this means is there are a lot of features inside this which I want to show you. One of the best thing which I want to show you is if I select any paragraph which I don't want, let's say I want to customize this paragraph. When I select this, there's going to three options pops up. One is a rewrite, and if I click on rewrite, you can give a prompt to expand the paragraph, or you can simplify, you can rewrite, you can make longer, make shorter, make a list, make a table. So let me just click on make shorter and see how it does. Alright, now it is prompting me to discard or accept, so I'm just gonna go here and click on accept. And then if I go to the second option, which is add keywords, you can manually enter the keywords which you want at the beginning of the article, right, to SEO optimize. And then the third option is add external link. If there is any possibility of adding external link, it does the job for you. Otherwise it says it returns empty. That's a great feature. So right now there's a possibility we can add external links, so I'm just gonna select this, and that's it. Manually, automatically the external links are present here, and then I can simply copy and take it to the WordPress and publish to Google. There'll be a link in the description to use this journalist AI tool for free. Like this video and catch you on the next one.